What's going on, guys? Happy Christmas Eve. How we doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Have you been out there shopping today and all the hustle and bustle that's going on out there? Have you gotten all your shopping done? I want to know. All right. All right. All right. We're back, guys. We're going to go over a program. I haven't talked about it in a while, but of course, I'm still steady in the program. I know sometimes people go, well, hey, I don't see you making a video about it, and they assume that I'm no longer promoting the program, right? Or any program for that matter. But what you can do is always go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, it shows the programs that I'm promoting, whether you see a video or not. Okay, a lot of times I'm behind the scenes doing marketing. Okay, so never fret about that. So anyway, we hadn't talked about it in a while, and we want to do that. But of course, we're going to state we can't make any income claims here. We can't guarantee you of any income or what you will make, when you'll make it, how you'll make it, right? Because it takes effort. Okay, we have to state that it takes effort. You're not just going to earn commissions just because you joined a program. This affiliate marketing, you have to promote it. When you promote it, folks go to your link, they sign up, you earn a commission. Okay? All right, with that being said, so one of my digital marketing programs I've been promoting for 2 years. I was here before it even launched. I was there when it was being created behind the scenes. All right, and it's still standing 2 years today. The owner of this program is in it day in, day out. Day in, day out. All right, she's doing daily videos. You get those daily. I get the notifications via email, but you can go into your you go into the community and you'll see where she's posts a video every day, even on holidays. I mean, she's been doing that before she even started this particular program and created it, or launched it rather. So definitely love the program. I'm going to be here for it until the wheels fall off, because I love to see the owners of their program. They created it. I didn't create it. I'm just an affiliate. But it makes me feel good to know that they're always trying to improve the program. And this program has been improved even since it launched. It's on the 2.0. All right, the 2.0 version. So she's gone in here and created new capture pages, sales pages, new autoresponder. For those 2 years, there's programs that I've been in for years, and they haven't touched it or made any changes to it. And we've, these were high ticket programs, $1,000, $2,000 programs. So, I love to see this type of thing. So that's why I continue to promote it as well. And I know that it's a good program, okay, because you've got a real owner here that really cares about helping the people. So we're back. We want to do a review on it. It's a 2-hour workday blueprint that you're going to get to show you how you can do this business within a 2-hour workday, even if you're working a job. All right, you don't have to do your 2 hours all at once. You can break it up, 30 minutes here, 20 minutes here, on your breaks if you're working, 15 minutes here. But you just follow what we call income producing activities. Okay, just do those activities consistently. All right, and with this program you earn 100% commissions. You keep all the profit. The company is only making $39. That's for your website that they create for you. That's it. So that's how, again, you know that the owner is not here for a money grab. 39 bucks. Okay, and she's doing all this training and coaching. All right, so great program to get started. There's 4 products in this program. You can check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Link is in the description, or go here to coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so let's get into it real quick. All right, so we got 4 products here. All right, 100% commissions with this, done for you digital business. 4 products. Let's go over them really quick here. And there's over 50,000 members in the community here, all paid members. Okay, we don't have any looky-loos. You actually have to purchase a product to be a part of the community. Okay, and with the page, one of the pages we have, you get to personalize it and brand yourself, put your picture on it and whatnot. Then it comes with testimonies on this page as well, which is great. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys look at that at your leisure, which I love to see all of this here, so you can just read over it. It explains everything. I want to go over the 4 products. Get in where you fit in is what I like to tell people. I'm all in. I have all 4 products because I don't like to leave any money on the table. Okay, so what we got? We got 4 products here. We got our launch pad. Okay, again, we're on the 2.0. We've got the passive daily pay blueprint. We've got the digital mastery, and we've got the legacy builder. All right, so let's run them down real quick. You get the master resale rights of the program, meaning you purchase the product, whatever product you purchase. Since you own that product, you're able to resell it, okay, and earn 100% commissions. If you don't own the product, you can't get any commissions on that product, right? So we've got 4 here. There's no pass-ups or one-ups. It's direct sales, member to member. By the way, you're going to get paid instantly and directly. No middleman in the middle. If somebody clicks your link, they click a button, they put in their credit card, boom, you get paid. All right, and it's automatic, and you get instant access to everything. The system is going to do all of that. Walk your person through the next step, right? So what's those 4 products real quick? Let's go over them. So we've got our launch pad. That's $100. So it's affordable for everybody. $100 you can get started. Your website is $39. Everybody pays $39 for their website. So for $100 plus $39, you're in. You can start your digital business. And that's the other thing. You can scale this up as well. Now, if you don't own the product, you won't get paid on it. So in other words, if you come here and you say, well, I'm going to get the launch pad, right? But the way your website is set up, if someone wouldn't know unless they know the program to purchase the next product. Okay, so it won't even be on your page. Your page is only going to show your $100 product. But if most people, they research a little bit and they find, oh, there's 4 income streams here, or 4 products, and you'll only have 1 if that's the only one you purchased. All right, so you can upgrade it anytime you decide. All right, so Launchpad, $100 plus $39, that's $139. All right, next product is called the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. It's $300 for this one, and your lower product is included. So if you purchase the $300 daily blueprint, you automatically get the Launchpad. Next product is the Digital Mastery, $600. And when you get that one, you're also going to get the Daily Pay Blueprint and the Launchpad. All right. The top program is called the Legacy Builder program. That one's $900. Where is it on this page? Okay, Legacy Builder, $900. So it'll be $939. All of them are $39 for your website, right? So you'll get all products. If you purchase the $900, you leave no money on the table. I'm trying to get to it on the page. Where did I missed it here? Hang on a second. All right, I passed right by it. The Legacy is all 4 products. All 4. $900. And they have a special training on Mondays for anyone that purchases the $900 product. Special training on Monday just for the Legacy members. All right, and I'll show you that on the calendar, which means you earn 900 instant commissions, guys, if somebody purchases that product. All right, you get access to everything. All right, so 4 products, all digital, step by step, how to get everything set up. So you purchase your product, you're going to get an email, okay, with your login. And how does this flow? Well, you're going to get your login, you're going to come over here in the Digital Growth Product Dashboard. All right, and this is where you're going to get your steps on how to set up your system to automate everything. Okay, automation. Now the email autoresponder is all included. This is via the system.io. That's the marketing system that this system is tied to. System.io, it includes the autoresponder. All you have to do is set it up through this training. It's going to show you how to include your email series that the company has created. She's already created all the follow-up emails. You're just going to plug in, but you're going to follow the steps here. So you come here and it says view all my products. So you come here, for an example, I am a Legacy Builder member. I got all 4, so I will come here, see it says Legacy Builder 2.0. I will click here. Okay, and then right here it says start here. You're just going to follow along. See, right here is the Legacy Builders live training on Monday. You can only get access to this in your dashboard. So there's no link to share, any of that. So if you are a member, it will show up in here. This is where you will find the Zoom link to get in on your training for the $900 product. All right, so anyway, here's all the modules. You're going to follow it step by step all the way down. See right here, it says your automated freedom machine. This is the setup, showing you how to set up your website and all that. And then here's training all the way down. There's 3 pages of training in here. Okay, so for an example, if we click website setup, see right here how to go from Legacy to 2.0. That's the new version to 2.0. But right here, accounts you need to open. They talk about how you get your website, your professional domain, your professional email, log it all the way down. How to link your payments in here. They've got Square, PayPal, and Stripe. You can use that as well. But they show you how to set it all up. See these steps? How to connect everything step by step. How to connect your payments. How to do your capture pages. The pages are already created as well. You just gotta tie them in, import them in, but everything is set up. Just follow the steps. They have a couple capture pages that's already here as well. See, here's the Stripe. Everything is in here. Okay? How you set your whole automated system up. All right, once you get all that set up, take your time and do so. And then you can come over here to the community, right? Over here, digital growth community. You have a classroom. Let me show you what it looks like here. See, getting started training over here. But what you want to do here is we have the replays. When they do a webinar, you come over here, you can watch the replays. There's also a link where you can share the webinar that was recorded, far as the free webinar, where the presentation is, where she does presentations. You can share that out. It comes with email templates, but you can send out to your email list. All right. Over here, they also have tech. They have a day where they do tech live calls. So if you have issues technically with your system, you can jump on the lives and get your questions answered. And then they also have the replay. Okay, all that is here. And then there's so much training in here from over the last 2 years. Social media, content vault, all of that is already here pre-recorded for you to go check out. All right, now let's get into the calendar. We're in December, about to be over, even on Christmas. Now we're taking tomorrow. They're taking today off. Tomorrow on Thursday, they have on Thursday, 2:00 p.m. social media marketing and question and answer, guys. All right, that's how serious they are about this over here, from 2 to 3. So you just go to your calendar, click right up here. It says calendar. Once you get in the community, and you'll see this training. You can jump on it. And then on Monday, okay, like I was saying earlier, if you purchase the $900 product, they're going to have a call. It's been moved to 7. It's normally at 12 on Mondays. But Monday coming up, it's going to be at 7 p.m. right here. See, it says Legacy Builder. So you got to log in to get your link. All right, so that you can jump on it if you purchase the $900 product. So it's a 2-hour training for the $900 product members. Okay, they're going to also have at 12 p.m. a 6-figure roadmap workshop that you can check out from 12 to 1:30. All this is on the calendar, so you have to do is click your calendar to see what's going on. All right, very cool. Then they have the community over here. The community is very friendly. If you need any help, all you have to do is come right here and post what your question is. But you can also go up here in this search bar and type first what you may be looking for. And more than likely, you'll get an answer there first. If you're not, then come here and just type where it says write something, and someone will assist you. As well as come here, guys, look at these tabs. Daily videos and replays, tech and login support. They've got all the things right here. Okay, all the things. It just works if you just come in here. And so that's how it's all done. Now, so once you have everything set up, for an example, right? Well, how are you going to promote this? Well, you're going to follow this training over here. Remember? Follow your training. I think I just logged out of it. Yeah, I just logged out of it. But follow the training, and then your job is to send people to your capture page. This is one of the pages. Send folks here and let the system do the selling, telling, sifting, and sorting. Okay? The autoresponder, you would have set all that up. It's all tied in system.io. So you don't have to worry about Aweber or any of that. It's all tied in system.io. All right? That's how it goes. Instant commissions, 100% commissions. This thing is still rocking after 2 years. All right? Love it. Love it. One of my main programs that I've been promoting for 2 years. Yeah, there's a lot of new ones out here, but I'm not interested, guys. I want to go with what's working, what's solid. The owners are present. The owner in this one is present. All right? That's what works. If it's not broke, don't fix it. It works like a well-oiled machine, okay? So I just wanted to come back to let you guys know, of course, still promoting it. Now, what I'm also doing, because you know I recently joined HBA, and they've got some wonderful tools over there that I'm going to, and that's the other thing, with that company, HBA, guys, you can use it to promote any business opportunity. So they've got some great AI tools over there. I'm going to be using those tools to help me with this business here as well. And if you're interested in that tool, because they've got a lot of training and tools, I'll put the link in the description for that as well. But yeah, we're still in legacy. Okay, we're still rocking it. All right, so if you're ready to get started, make sure you go to the link in the description or go to www.thecopypastemethod.com and check it out. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And happy Christmas Eve out there, guys. All right. Before you get out of here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.